Why is technical analysis in financial markets so vital? The answer lies in the ability to predict future price movements, identify investment opportunities, and manage risk. One tool that has proven invaluable in this regard is QChartist. QChartist is the leading provider of open-source technical analysis software for financial markets. This software facilitates the construction of charts, the generation of trading signals, and the backtesting of trading strategies. But what sets QChartist apart? For starters, it's open source. This means it's freely available to everyone and anyone can contribute to its development. This ensures the software is constantly improving and adapting to the ever-changing needs of the financial markets. Next, QChartist offers a wide range of technical analysis tools. From simple line charts to complex candlestick patterns, it has everything a financial analyst might need. It also includes a variety of indicators such as moving averages, oscillators, and volume-based indicators, providing a comprehensive analysis of market trends and price movements. Moreover, QChartist doesn't just produce static charts. It offers dynamic charts that update in real time, giving you the most up-to-date information possible. This allows for quick decision-making, which is crucial in the fast-paced world of financial markets. One of the most impressive features of QChartist is its ability to generate trading signals. This feature uses complex algorithms to analyze past price movements and predict future ones. This can help traders identify the best times to buy or sell, potentially maximizing their profits. In conclusion, QChartist offers a vast array of features that make it an indispensable tool for anyone involved in the financial markets. Its open-source nature, wide range of technical analysis tools, dynamic charts, trading signal generation, and backtesting capabilities make it a comprehensive solution for technical analysis. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the power of QChartist for yourself. Download it today and see how it can revolutionize your approach to technical analysis in the financial markets. Remember, the future of trading is just a click away with QChartist.